Hello, Chef here. So today I'm working with some pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is one of the most underutilized meat products on the market. It's such a good deal depending on where you're located. Pork tenderloin, when you select it, you want nice fresh pieces like this. Frozen is not as good, but it's still usable. Anyway, notice first of all, these are different. This one weighs about a pound and this one's probably about 20 ounces, a bit larger. So anyway, you have to keep that in mind when you're selecting how to prepare this. I can cook this pork tenderloin 500 different ways. I'm going to show you a real quick, simple teriyaki marinade. It's going to be for some kebabs. If you want to learn more about pork and pork tenderloin, just subscribe right here. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Step 1, remove the fat and the silver skin using a boning knife. And you want to just remove minimal amount, don't want to waste anything. And this can be used in a stock or scraps, and livestock will also eat it, depending on if you have cats or dogs or other critters. There's nothing wrong with sharing a little bit of your pork with them. So this is the silver skin right here, and this is what you want to pay attention to. This is actually inedible. It's very hard to digest, and you do want to remove it. So once the silver skin is all removed, I'll be continuing with the rest of this video. Okay, and that is a very nice cleaned pork tenderloin. Just follow along, and you want to repeat the steps I just did there. Remove the silver skin, remove the fat. You could always have your butcher do this. Ha! Butchers are hard to find these days, and there's a good reason why. People don't want to spend a lot of money for what they're going to eat. It's a perplexing situation. Anyway, here we go. This is beautiful. Now I can prep this into chunks. I could make cutlets. I could slice it. I could roll it. I could stuff it. Cook it whole. There's a million ways. However, I'm going to be making some simple kebabs today. I'm looking for 1.5 to 2 ounce pieces. So I'm just going to cut it like this all the way down. And if my pieces get too big, like in the center here, real simple. Just turn the piece of meat sideways, cut it that way. Again, I have 1.5 to 2 ounce pieces, just like this, moving right along. Don't want them too big. They're going to end up on some skewers. Nice, consistent cuts. That's what Chef is looking for. Okay, for the teriyaki marinade, I'm going to be combining a few ingredients here. I've got a little bit of olive oil left in this can. Oh yeah, we're going to put that in there. Call it a tablespoon. I've got this gigantic container of soy sauce here. Let's go with 2 tablespoons. Got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.